Application season is one of the most stressful times for a high school student. Trust us, we've just been through it. So, to help you with your college applications, we decided to ask the batch of 2021 for their experience with this process. We hope this makes this process a little more manageable.
What I think the hardest part about the application process was definitely the essays because it tends to get so subjective and you start to self doubt yourself about what should be the perfect way to phrase a particular sentence.
The hardest part of the application process for me personally was just treading this fine line between overthinking my essays and doing my best in them. And I think I tended to stretch out an essay for longer than I needed to, and that really impacted the time I could give to other essays, etc.
Hi. Okay. So, hardest part of the application process, there were a few hard parts. I think first was actually narrowing down the universities and my choice of universities. It was because I was one of the people who didn't really have a preference in country, and then there were so many factors that I wanted to take into account: weather, food, courses, things to do around. Did it have like adventure sports? Did it have museums? Did it have theaters? All of those things, and rural urban setting, things like that. So it became very difficult for me to weigh up one thing against another, and therefore weigh up like universities against each other. And so going from 80 to 40 to 20 to eventually 7 universities was really difficult for me. But what I ended up doing was just making a list of what features each university had and what it didn't, and then I'd compare how many tick marks like one university had against another, and that's eventually how I ended up narrowing down my choices.
And I think like one thing I would have done differently would be definitely sending it to a couple of friends at least who have the same subject area interest as me, so that I could ask them for their opinions and we could like like they could give me small suggestions about what else I could write and how I could write it differently.
What I would have done differently personally apart from this was, I think it's really easy to lose yourself in this process, and like by that I mean really just work as much as you can because it's so important to you. So I think what I would have done differently was take a break once in a while. That really helps you recharge and really do better the next day. This sounds cliched, but it's true in this case also.
Um, what I would do differently, I think, is start writing my essays a lot earlier. Definitely. Um, I always got my essays like approved by my parents and got them proofread, things like that. But if you start earlier, it just gives you more time to think about ideas, think for ideas. So maybe not actually start physically writing, but start thinking about each prompt early enough. And yeah.
And a piece of advice for like next year would be obviously to start working on it earlier. Like you always take like the summer break as way too early to start writing it, but I realized like after work with all the work of IB, it starts to pile on and you end up having to bunk school days in order to finish all your work. So definitely start writing and finishing off as many essays as you can during the summer vacations.
So I think my advice for the next year would be just finding that balance of how much is enough, and maybe it's setting deadlines, maybe it's giving it to someone for approval, and once they approved it, you're done with it and you don't look at it again. So that's my advice for the next year.
Advice for next year would be start the process early. Again, even while selecting universities, don't put pressure on yourself about, oh, I need to know what my universities are like X months in advance. But start looking at universities. As you look at them, you'll realize what parts of them you like, what parts of them you don't like, and you can apply that to other universities. So you realize that, oh, I don't like this in this university, I'm not going to like it in anywhere else I find it either. So you can start cutting out, weeding out universities that way, making your choices. Yeah, so start making your choices early. Look at courses when you're doing research for university. Look at specific courses and make a note of the courses, so that when you're writing your essays, you don't have to go back and look at, oh, which professors did I like, which courses had I liked. You don't have to do that whole thing again.